I just came back from school and this bird is eating, this cat is eating a bird. I don't want to go near it because animals get angry if you go near them when they're eating food. Look at it. Look at the cat. I'm scared. It's eating a bird. It ate a bird. Look at that. That cat just ate a bird. It killed it and it ate it. And now it's gone. What an evil cat. It's probably one of the birds, because my neighbour's own bird. That's unbelievable. Cats eat birds. Who would have known? Oi, cat! Why'd you eat the bird? You fatty. You probably didn't even need to eat the bird. Look, its feathers are like... Oh, that's its foot. Oh shit, I think that's its eyeball. That's the eyeball. That is disgusting. Left a trail of feathers as well. That's disgusting. Oh my god. That's disgusting.